What different kinds of guru service are there? Basically, there's only one kind of guru bhakti, namely considering guru to be God himself. Still, we generally see two kinds of guru bhakti. One kind is to see guru to be God and serve him accordingly. That is genuine guru bhakti. Then there's another kind of guru bhakti which is called Marapati bhakti. M-long-A, M-A-R-A-P-H-A-T-I. Marapati bhakti. Devotion by proxy. You know what that is like? Being devoted to the guru, knowing that through guru you attain the Lord. In Marapati bhakti, one learns some of the rules and prohibitions, etiquette, and so on from the guru. And thus he gets to know the way of sadhana. This is called Vaidhi bhakti, or regulated devotion to the Lord. But all these external rules and prohibitions do not exist when one is devoted to the guru as being Bhagavan himself. Only the passionate devotional faith of the disciple. This culminates in the disciple seeing the guru as Bhagavan. He's saying that you can see the guru as God and worship and serve him accordingly, and that will be the best, because if you see him like that and worship him like that, eventually you'll see Bhagavan. But if you see him something less than that, you'll learn rules and regulations and perform Vaidhi sadhana because you have the idea that my guru is not God, but he's a good teacher and he'll help me learn to attain the Lord. I'll attain, by doing my Vaidhi sadhana, I will attain the Lord. But the other platform is, my guru is the Lord. And I'll attain the Lord by serving my guru with this, what he calls passionate devotional faith of the disciple. Passionate devotional faith means this rag. There's Vaidhi bhakti and rag bhakti. Rag bhakti means I'm completely attached to the idea, I'm completely attached to my guru as being God. And I see him like that, and I worship him like that, and I serve him like that. So he's saying that's better. That's real guru bhakti. And that guru bhakti will yield the result quickly and right away. The result being that you'll realize God and serve God by that type of guru bhakti.